Hey, welcome back everybody. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the channel. We're going to be taking about 2 to 3 months off of YouTube, and certainly not by choice. A friend of mine and co-worker were actually hit by a drunk driver July 30th. And from that, there was some definite injuries that are going to take me 2 to 3 months to recover from. So I've already received a whole bunch of emails from folks just saying, hey, we haven't seen you on YouTube for a little while, hope everything's okay, when's the next video coming, all kinds of stuff. So I thought it only fair to reach out to the audience who's been so faithful in following us and sort of give you just a quick rundown as to what sort of what transpired and what happened. As you can see, I'll be getting some new teeth. Those were knocked out. I broke this and this. Both my feet, my sternum's broke, my ribs are broke. It's just a quick rundown of that. It was a head-on collision at freeway speeds, so the impact was pretty devastating. But we're on the mend. Got a surgery to go through. They're going to put some pins on my feet. No surgeries on my hands, so that was really good news yesterday that I got, and a few weeks worth of dental work, and lots and lots of time in rehab. So obviously I can't work in the shop, I can't get out and hunt, I can't go out and shoot, I can't do shit. I've become very, very good friends with my couch, and that's where I sit, or I sit out here on the back porch, and that's what I do. So in the meantime, I'm going to study up on some filmmaking tips and tricks and different things like that, just trying to get better at what we do, try to educate myself a little bit more, read some books, and just hang out, get better. So anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, but I did want to be fair to all of you who have been so loyal to us, and just let you know that we're not leaving because we wanted to. It's just the way the cards were stacked. So well, with that said, I'm going to turn the camera off and relax, start healing. So we'll catch you just as soon as we can, and thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you as soon as we possibly can.